We invite the Head of Academics, Dr. Manish Singhwal, to address the students and to declare them graduates.
Good evening. His Excellency, Ambassador of India to Indonesia, Mr. Sandeep Chakraborty, Ambassador of Bangladesh to Indonesia, His Excellency, Mr. Mohammad Tariqul Islam, members of Diplomatic Corps, President and member of Gandhi Sevaloka, officials of Ministry of Education and Culture in Indonesia, officials from Dinas and Sudin Pendidikan, the management of GMIS, proud parents, honored guests, respected teachers, and most importantly, our beloved graduating students. As I stand before you today, my heart is a storm of emotions. Emotions of pride, emotions of gratitude, emotion of joy, and yes, of a little pain. For this moment is both a beginning and an end. An end to a remarkable chapter and a beginning of infinite possibilities of new horizons. This class, the class of 2025, is not just any graduating class. You are the heartbeat of our school. You are the symphony of everything GMIS stands for: courage, compassion, creativity, and curiosity. You are the light that never dimmed, not even when the corridors were quiet with grief. The previous term ended with a loss none of us were prepared for. Our beloved principal, Sir A.P. Singh, left us. But in the beginning of the academic year, he said something quietly, something I still hear echoing in my ears. He said, I quote, Manish, I will deliver this year graduation speech while standing with pride, unquote. You know, that time it was difficult for him to walk. He is not standing here in body this evening. But I tell you, his spirit, his love for every one of you, his deep belief in the power of education is standing tall with all of us right here. His blessings is the wind beneath your wings. And as Dr. Abdul Kalam, the former President of India, wrote in his Wings of Fire, I quote, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. When the student is truly ready, the teacher will disappear, unquote. Dear students, you are ready, and now you are truly ready to fly to new horizons. From the wheel of fortune to illusion of glamour, from the verdict to love conquer all. You didn't just perform in those 11 plays. You performed live. You turn our humble stage into Shakespeare's globe, into Broadway, into the world where dreams take shape through dialogue, costumes, lights, and laughter. Hope you all remember that the Best Actor award was given to Armando by Sir A.P. Singh. During this play, some of you made us laugh till our stomach hurt. Some of you made us cry. We needed tissue in every room. And many of you, oh, those backstage warriors, you made the magic happen without ever needing the spotlights. This is the beauty of this batch. You have showed in classrooms, in lab, on stage, on field, in musical halls, and on the international stages. From London School of Economics to UCL, Toronto, Melbourne, Sydney, HKUST, UBC, Chicago, Paris State, Birmingham, King's College London, Manchester United, Purdue, to universities in Netherlands and universities in New Zealand, Trinity College, Glasgow, and many more. Dear parents, our students are painting the world with the brightest hues of GMIs as they are accepted in all these and many more universities. Some of you got into the university we dreamed about. Some of you received a scholarship that people talk about in awe, like the Lester B. Pearson International Scholarship awarded to one of the students, Jennifer. And parents, you will be honored and proud that after 7 years, this scholarship is awarded to any students from Indonesia. And more to this scholarship is awarded to only 37 students around the globe. Some of you published research papers in international journals before even turning 18. 2 groups among you won the Best Young Scientist Award in Indonesia, and others in global forums. Some of you rigorously preparing for toughest competitive exams like G, NEET, and SBMPTN. While a few already achieved impressive scores in G examinations, I am sure and I am very confident that some of you will soon be joining prestigious NITs in India and universities in Singapore. And don't even get me started with our golfers, musicians, writers, singers, TEDx speakers, MUN chairs, WSC debaters, chefs, cricketers, footballers, badminton player, and many more. If I list all their talent and achievements, we might be here till first period of Monday. But beyond the achievements, beyond the university offers and scholarships, what moved me the most is this. Dear students, you all were born in the same year I joined this GMIS, in 2007-2008. I have watched you stumble through your first step into nursery and then stride confidently through grade 12. I have seen you argue about politics like diplomats, discuss philosophy like professors, and at the same time panicking over IA, XNSA, TOK, university application deadline, and cast reflections like adorable kittens. Boys and girls, people ask me why I look so young at the age of 50. I won't reveal this today. That you made us all teachers young again. Because of your energy, your questions, your laughter, your endless debate over which house is better, Tagore or Tolstoy, Lincoln or Cartney, kept our heart full. Dear parents, in this evening, 37 students are receiving Loyalty Award. This is a recognition given to those who studied at GMIS for over more than 12 years. This is the true testament of the enduring faith and trust that both you and the parents have placed in our school. Recently, one of our esteemed parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jaiswal, came to me and shared with pride that this is their 12th graduation ceremony in GMIS. Their two elder daughters completed their entire schooling here from nursery to grade 12, and now doing exceptionally well around the globe. Today, their son is graduating. We have ceremony in each level, preschool, grade 5, grade 10, and then grade 12. Today, the son is graduating, marking yet another beautiful milestone in their family's journey with GMIS. And I'm sure many proud parents here are like them who have faith and trust in GMIS. And now, boys and girls, as you step into the world, I offer you a few simple thoughts to carry. Be kind. Be kind, not just for others, but to yourself. Sleep at night. Fail gloriously. Fall down 7 times, get up 8, and laugh at yourself while doing it. Keep your values close. Whatever IB learner profile or the wisdom of Board of Secondary Education Indian Schools Indonesia, or the value of Panchasila of Sama, write, sing, dance, play, build, break, rebuild, stay curious. Sir AP always used to remind those few lines of our morning prayer, show me what is right and what is evil, so that I may not remember those lines. Remember the song which you just sang, the UB40 song that became the motto of the school. Every hour and every day I'm learning more. The more I learn, the less I know about before. Remember those lines. And wherever you go, remember who you are. I'll tell you who you are. You are GMIS. You are Gandhians. And most important, you are our ambassador to the world. Whenever you are in town, after joining universities around the globe, just walk through the gate of the school. Anyway, you know how to get in and get out without exit slip. No need to knock. Come back. Tell us your stories. Make fun of old teachers. We can take it. We all sitting here can take it. If not all, I'm sure Miss Winnie and I will definitely take it. And in life, ever get stronger? If things feel lost, remember what Sir A.P. Singh said in his quiet wisdom. He said, I quote, "The blessings of your parents and teachers will lead you to the light and take you away from enemy's throne." Unquote. I want to end with the word of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, again from his Wings of Fire. Dream, dream, and dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action and reality. So go out there, aim for minimum 37 in IBDP. And explore the new horizons. Dream not just for yourself, but for a better world. Good luck for your IBDP CP examinations. Let your dream ignite change. On this emotional but prideful evening, I salute you all. I love you all, and I believe in you all. Now, go out and illuminate the world. Congratulations, class of 2025. You made us laugh, you made us cry, and tonight, you made us all believe in magic. Thank you. Thank you. The crowning moment has arrived. So, I now request the graduating class of 2025, please rise. By the authority vested in me by the Board of Secondary Education Indian Schools Indonesia as the controller of examinations and as the head of academics of the school, I have honor of declaring the students of class of 2025 graduates. You may now move your tassels from right to left. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present to you the graduates of class of 2025. Congratulations. Now, I call upon our Vice Principal, Ms. Winnie, to administer